my name is Dennis and today I'm taking you along on a boat trip to the Phi Phi Islands. I'm kind of curious on how it's looking right now because I visited this place the first time in 2016 and it was horrendous like this. So let's find out how it looks now. Let's not waste any more time and hop on the Sea Eagle. We arrived at the first stop of the day, which is Bamboo Islands. The water here is beautiful, and I'm just gonna look around for a bit and see what we can find up here, apart from this beautiful water. Lovely. This was most of Bamboo Island, and you know, a lot of bamboo. Time to head back to the boat and on to the next stop. So right here we have the Vikings Cave, which currently we cannot go in anymore. So we're just gonna pass it on the boat. Next up on the list is the Monkey Beach. And currently there's barely any monkeys to be seen. So yeah, we're just gonna stay for a short while here and continue our trip. Currently in the Phi Phi Lagoon, and as always, there's a ton of boats. It's like nothing happened ever. Exactly as it was before, filled with boats and people. But still, lovely place. So, this was the Phi Phi Lagoon. Still a lot of boats, but next up is Maya Bay. The question is Maya Bay worth it in 2022? Let's find out. Currently, we're going into Maya Bay from the backside through this dock. No swimming this time because you might get eaten by a shark, tiny shark. But let's see how it is. I see a lot of people already. Walking on Maya Bay right now. This is a big improvement from 5-6 years ago. I can actually move instead of the place being filled with way too many people. They've done well. This has been a big improvement and it's looking amazing. There's plenty of place on the beach. It's very clean. They've done good work here. It looked like there were a lot of people, but compared to how it used to be, this is very quiet and it's very nice. So if you want to visit Maya Bay, take your chances now because now it's still quiet. Now there's not too many tourists. I was lucky enough to spot a baby shark. I got quite close to it. I got like 1.5 meters away from it, even closer, and it didn't bite my foot off, so that's nice. My question was, is Maya Bay worth it in 2022? I would say yeah. This is the perfect time to go here. If you want to go, go now. Now is the best time. Before, I didn't even like it, and now I would say this is the most beautiful beach you're gonna find in entire Thailand. So, up to you. For us, it's off to the boat.